Okay, today I'm going to teach you one of the best salad cream. Yeah, it's best because I'm going to do it with things I know that are very healthy and rich to our health. One of them is avocado. So we are making avocado dressing cream. Yeah, this is for salads. Any kind of salad, once you love salads, you can make your own cream. Yeah, some people will put egg here, but I don't like using eggs. Yes, in my. Then this is avocado I put in the blender. Then I put 1 spoon of parsley. Then this is tangerine. And this is lemon. So I'm going to blend all this together. You put like a spoon. Also, you put more of the tangerine because it is sweeter. Then you pour 2 spoons of oil. This is virgin oil. Have you seen it? Only virgin oil. I have put 2 pieces. Then I love using pink salt. This is Himalaya salt. I drop some pieces of it. At times, if you are hypertensive, reduce salt, okay? So you have seen it. Then you pour your cold boiled water, or you use a good water. It will still give you whatever you want. So this is salad cream made out of avocado and the parsley and the olive oil. So when I now close, you blend everything to get a creamy texture. This is our salad cream. When you get this in supermarket, to be very expensive. So you blend it, crush it properly. Me, I always like to see my parsley. Have you seen it? Yeah. So when you have something like this, any salad you are eating, you can sprinkle on it. Apart from salad, you can use this also as a sauce to eat your rice. You can also use this to eat anything you want to eat, even yams. Very sweet, very yummy. So try it. Remember the ingredients I've told us. This is it. I call it avocado and the parsley salad cream or dressing cream. Thank you so much for joining me. Try it on and keep subscribing, connecting people to this platform. Please raise a thumb. Let me know you like what I have taught today. If you have any question, pass across, we answer you immediately. We do see questions and we reciprocate. Thank you once again for joining us.